Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching TheTechStream. In this video, I am going to show you some of the best features of Nothing OS which I think everyone should use on their device. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting off the list, we have Nothing widgets. If you long tap on your launcher and get into widget section, you get the Nothing launcher widgets. In total, you get 4 really good looking widgets. The first 2 are digital and analog clocks, and then you get the weather and quick look widget. I really like the weather and quick look widget, so you can try these widgets out and give your device a unique look. Moving on, whenever you long tap on an icon in your Nothing launcher, you get this new option to enlarge the icon, and once you click on it, the icon gets big and enlarged. I know this is not as useful for single icon, but if you do this on a folder, you get this amazing looking folder where you can directly access the first 3 apps of the folder, and if you want to access other apps, you can do so by clicking on the 4th icon. This gives your device an iOS kind of look. Moving on, by default, when you turn the display off of your Nothing Phone 1, you get this fingerprint icon. But if you want other info like time, weather, etc., or in short the ambient display, you need to go to settings, display, lock screen, and then enable show basic info on lock screen. Now when you turn off your display, your device will have the basic info and it will let you know if you get any notification. The always on ambient display really looks dope on this device. Now let's move on to the most hyped features, the glyph interface. Inside the glyph interface, you can change the brightness of these LED lights. I have set them to really low as I find these lights distracting. You can also set up different light pattern for different contacts. So this is really useful as I have set different pattern for my parents' call. And finally, you can also schedule the glyph lights as you might not need them in the night. So you can turn this off in the night time. Moving on, the display of Nothing Phone 1 is really great, but it comes on a warmer side, so it felt like the night mode was turned on. So to fix this, you need to go to settings, display, and then select colors. Inside colors, change the preset to alive from standard preset and increase the amount of cool temperature. Once this is done, you will feel that your display is even better than before. If you move on to camera, then there's an option where you can use these glyph lights as flashlight. If you click on the flash icon 3 times, you will get this icon which will turn on your glyph lights and you can use these as flashlight. These might not be as useful in the normal mode, but will be great in macro mode as these lights are really soft and will be close to the subject. If you go into the video recorder mode and then tap this little arrow icon, you get the option for recording light indicator. You need to enable this option, and now whenever you record a video, you will see a red LED in the back of the device. It can be really handy if you use your device for recording videos, as you will be able to know if a video is being recorded or not just by looking at the back of your device. Really handy feature. You also get this really cool feature to open camera from any screen just by double pressing the power button. To enable this feature, go to settings, system, gestures, and enable quickly open camera. Now whenever you double press the power button, camera is going to open, so you can click those fast photos and videos. And finally, inside system settings, you also get the game mode features. This is a pretty basic game mode, so don't expect high-end features. First of all, you need to manually add your games here and it does not automatically detect the game. You get this do not disturb feature where the notification display can be changed, and you can also block any incoming calls. Apart from this, you also get mistouch prevention feature. So pretty basic game mode, and I hope Nothing will add more features in this one. So those were the 9 features of Nothing OS that I think everyone should use if you have the Nothing Phone 1. Comment down what is your favorite feature. That's all for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.